Alright guys and girls, welcome back to the 21st of December 2021 and we're going to reveal my new helmet, motorbike helmet, which I'll be using for my electric bicycle, moped slash bicycle for when I get that next month hopefully. But here we go guys and girls. And this is the Batman one. Never get to the chopper, guys and girls. Do it. We're going to do it. I look like a bloody spaceman. There we go. I don't know if you can sit on the top. Anyway, guys and girls, goes good with the red, with the red sort of leather style jacket. But also, I've got my Terminator jacket coming hopefully tomorrow. Well, it's in a style of Terminator style ones. For some reason, it won't let me put my sunglasses in there, because that'd be quite cool. If I could put that in, then I could, come on, good morning. When did I get to the chopper, do it. Come on, do it, get to the chopper. Anyway, guys and girls, stay safe. I'll be back.